How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location at the Fresh Mahal on this beautiful Lord's Day. And there are kids playing football across the street. I tell you, I'm really frustrated with this generation. They need to be inside playing video games, getting caught up on technology. This is, Sunday, stop playing football in the road. Want to show you what I've been doing this weekend. Some of you who've maybe kept up with a little bit of my posts on YouTube and Facebook, then you see that I had Nick the welder to create for me a new cradle for my 100-gallon chemical tank. I love how it came out. It's exactly what I wanted. 32 inches high, 16.5 inches wide, and then the length of the tank. It really just came out exactly as I was hoping for. The top strap is holding just the buffer tank. The bottom strap is holding both the buffer tank and the chemical tank, and it's very, very sturdy. Before, I had just one strap holding both of them, worked perfectly fine, and I'm confident this will work with two straps. Let's make our way to the other side, and I'll show you what else I've been up to. I'm very, very happy about this. All right, so Nick the fabricator, again, did a wonderful job creating this cradle for the 100-gallon slim tank. That's my chemical tank. And it serves as a great frame or a holder for my 12-volt system. All along, I had an idea of what I wanted to do with this, and I'm absolutely 100% pleased with the way this has worked out. One of the things I've been racking my brain over is how to create some kind of a shelf or a bracket or something that will hold the 12-volt pump without permanently mounting it. I want ease of access and ease of removal in the event that the 12-volt pump goes out in the field. I want to be able to tear it down and then put in a new pump on the fly. So here's what I did. I went to the big box store and I picked up a length of about 6 feet of 3/4 inch aluminum channel, and then I bent it in such a fashion. I actually used my angle grinder to cut out these 45-degree V's, and that allowed me to bend the channel in such a fashion it allows me just to slide the 12-volt pump right down into it. So it just works just like this. Just slips right out just like that. And it's not exactly the cleanest that I've ever seen, but when I get back to Nick the fabricators the next time, I'm going to have him just tack this onto the plate. Right now it is screwed into the plate using self-tapping screws, as you can see through these holes here. One of the things you'll need to do if you choose to go this route is to get an angle grinder or just a blade and just trim off these rubber mounts that come factory with the pump. This is a Remco 5.3, and it just fits right down in there real nice and stuck, not going anywhere. In the event that I want to replace this on the fly in the field, I simply pull up my cam locks and remove the pump and replace it with the new pump. And then I used the factory wires with the clip so that when I need to replace the new pump, all I gotta do is just put it right back in there. I got the electrical box off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm happy with it. It's supposed to be 100% waterproof. We shall see. But I'm anxious to get it into the field and get it working. I'm very happy with the way that it looks. I don't have any water in the buffer tank or the chemical tank, so I can't try it out. But I have all of my lines run. It works perfectly fine, should be fine. I'll try it out tomorrow. So, and then one more thing, I drilled a hole in the bed, siliconed it, of course, sealed it nicely to prevent any rust as a result of water and of course SH. Ran my wire straight through the bed and straight into the box here, and then I have a separate breaker over here just for the 12-volt and the Flow Pro. All right, there you have it. I really appreciate you watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab, and you and I can spend lots of time together. I'm sure you were wanting to do that. All right, Mike, The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.